big.
This is lucky.
Nothing. Do out. The back. The background. You can sit here. Why you didn't So hello guys, welcome back again to Travel Again Food and Empire channel. So if you hear some children music background because the little girl is in the house. Anyways, looking for something that I could use also for editing my videos, because normally guys, since I started our vlogging February this year, I was only editing my videos through my iPhone 11 Pro. I was actually looking for something I could use, maybe a mobile or something, or a laptop, and then we dropped back to this. This is the first time I know. Well, I was actually surprised that notebook now is made like a Android phones, that the processor or the operating system is not anymore Microsoft or Windows. It's a Google Chrome. So what you only need is a Google account. You need a Google account so you could install some applications in the App Store. So this is just, it's a notebook, but the functions is just like a Android phone. Yeah. So I'm really excited because this is the first time. Well, unfortunately, I can't connect this to my phone because I am a iOS user. I have a iPad and MacBook, but this really impressed me because there are some applications that are more available in Android or Google or in Play Store than in App Store. So let's open it now. I'm so excited.
So yes, of course, just like the other notebook or laptops, you could also get a free charger for this Chromebook, and also you could check or find the manual and the instructions so how to use this.
So this is an Acer notebook, 15.6 inches. You see this? That's Acer. This color is, so this is color gray.
No.
Color gray, made of model is Acer, and operating system is here. You could read it as Google Chrome. So this is the manual. Okay, so let's open it now. So this is going to be the first time that we will open this. Come here, baby, hold that. Okay, so that's it. The power button at the very top in the left side, and if you go, Chloe, where is the mouse? No, this is not a touchscreen, unfortunately. Is it a touchscreen? Oh yeah, it's also a touchscreen, guys. Wow. Yeah, it's a touchscreen, but if you want to write or to type something, you have to use the keyboard.
And also the Play Store.
So if you go to the Play Store, just for example, I'm always using PixArt to edit the thumbnails. So could you try that? Is PixArt already? This one, I need that. Could you please install that?
What's on that?
I don't use it, but let's see. We try that. Okay. And I don't know if we are able to install another browser because it's only Google here, and I'm always using Opera. So could we try to install another browser here? That's why I need an Opera browser, because it's only
Also Opera Mini or Firefox.
Can you install all these browsers? So the only thing that we cannot install here is Microsoft Edge. What about Internet Explorer? Also not. Are we able also to install her a YouTube application?
Yeah.
Can you try?
This
is really like an Android phone, so just I need it.
You have the Play Store.
So I want to install my own YouTube. This is really more convenient compared to a normal laptop, because with normal laptop, installing an application is really a struggle. It's really difficult.
Yeah, it's what it is.
It's more complicated than this. This one is really easier. Only that we cannot use here Microsoft Edge and Internet Explorer. But this is really working just like a normal smartphone.
Mm-hmm.
And there you go, guys. So you could also have your Instagram, Facebook.
Netflix.
I want to install this. Want to Facebook. And oh, you could also connect your WhatsApp here. You install a WhatsApp there. Or TikTok, Netflix if you want to watch Netflix. Alice is the price. Oh, everything is there, yeah. Also Messenger.
At the end, you only have
Also
the
Bible.
same like smartphone.
Yeah, it's just like you're using your smartphone. It's just bigger. Well, of course, handies, cell phones are better because you can bring it anytime with you. Compare with this with notebook. But if you want a bigger screen, but just the same function, then this Acer notebook is really good. It's really a good price, guys. It's really worth it. It's not that expensive, and you got it. It's really fast. You see it already how it is switching every time you want to do something. It's really fast. Yeah. So I wanna see if the camera of this. How good is the camera? Nice camera. So guys, so this is the camera. Guess if you want to use also this for live streaming in YouTube, this will work so far. So if you wanna see or look all the applications that you already installed, you just have to go down here. You need to select the circle here. You need to click that first, and there's an arrow. You have to press that. It will bring up, or it will show you up everything, all the applications that you installed already. So there you go. So these are all the applications that we installed so far. There's YouTube. Where's the other? I don't see anymore. That. Okay, so here's the Facebook, Pixelab, Firefox, PixArt, Opera. So these are so far the applications that we installed. So this is cool because it's a touchscreen. So it's just really like you're using your own Android phone. It's good. Maybe you could just do it like this. So first you go here and then drag it up and drag it down. It's really easy, guys. So let's try to open, for example, Facebook. It's really a touchscreen. So this is really super cool, guys. So wow. I'm impressed because we only bought this for 300 euro. This is what we got. It's like I also bought another Android phone. This is really cool. I mean, you have a bigger screen, same functions with Android. Another.
You can open two programs, one here and one here.
And then I'll just drag this.
Drag it here.
Wow, that really amazed me, guys. This is really cool. This notebook, could you point it, Chuck? There it is. It says Acer Chromebook 315. So, like what I'm saying, guys, this is a Android version of a notebook. All you just need is a Google account, and you could use it. Okay, so guys, that's it. I am happy again of our purchase. It was not in the plan to buy this Acer Chromebook. It was never on our plan. We just saw it on the shop, and we were surprised. I have no idea about this Android version of a laptop. You know it already.
No.
I don't have any idea, especially that I'm not an Android user. I'm an iPhone user, and this really surprised me, and I am so happy about my purchase because, you know, guys, this is cool. You could just download or install here all the applications that you're needing to edit your vlogs. KineMaster, Pixelab, PixArt. there you could do the editing. You don't need anymore your phone, because I always use my iPhone 11 to edit all my vlogs, and that was really stressful. So here I'm happy because I could start. This is really cool. I really recommend this, guys. The name is Acer Chromebook 315. We bought it for €300 only. Well, we got discount at this point, but the normal price was 360. Well, at least we saved €60. It's not that bad anymore, and I'm happy about this purchase. I mean, this is really awesome. See, your battery lasts for 12 hours, at least for 12 hours. You have all the time to edit or your videos, or watch streams or movies, or go live in YouTube. So this is really perfect, especially for all YouTube vloggers and all those who love to do streaming. So here, by the way, guys, on the side is
USB.
Here's also the other side is USB. And then where's for the power? USB.
USB, yeah. You can charge via USB, yeah.
Okay.
And it also has the USB-C.
Hello, girl. What is that, baby? What is the ribbon then? So that's all for today, guys, for our vlog review for Acer Chromebook 315. This is really highly recommended, especially for YouTube vloggers and everyone who do or who love streaming. So if you're a Android lover, especially like him, you could really try to purchase this one. This is really awesome. This is really cool. It's like you've got your portable phone in a bigger screen with you. Yeah, you will go to Oman. So guys, thank you so much for joining us today again with another vlog review. Just apologize that it was like, our little girl is here, so we got sometimes interrupted. Yeah, at least we finished it today. We did it so far. So thank you so much again, and hope we see you again to our next future vlog reviews and travel vlogs. See you again. Bye.